MTD Network this week, what's been going on? Well, first of all, you know what I'm going to say. Red to request a quote, pop your details in there, what you need manufactured, and we'll get some quotes for you. Blue, hit that blue button. You can join MTD Network. We'll be in contact, get you signed up so you can have access to those quotes. What else has been going on? Well, our friends Mick and Jackie from Tefloturn have moved premises, a new workshop, new machines, and new staff. So if you need any plastic components, which is what they specialise in, get in contact with Mick and Jackie at Tefloturn. What else has been going on? Well, Mellish, they've posted on LinkedIn and on MTD Network, anytime, any place, anywhere. Well, actually, that's a bad Martini advert from the 80s, but I'm probably too old or too young to remember that. But any component, any material, any amount, get in contact with them if you need a quote. So nice little business there. Now, Loftlock, they've got aerospace accreditation, but they've just upgraded to Rev D. So well done, guys. Jim at Loftlock and the team. So you can be assured of some real high quality parts from those guys. GW Martin, they've recently bought a CMZ gantry loading lathe. What does that mean? It means they can now run and unmanned, so they're more efficient, get you better pricing. So get in contact with Richard and Stuart at GW Martin. PowerKut have recently joined MTD Network. We've just been out filming with them, so watch your space for those coming soon. They have a state-of-the-art Studer S31 grinder. It's a fantastic machine, can do production grinding and hold tolerances of 2 microns. So pretty impressive stuff. Watch your space for that video. Last but not least, we popped out to see Ferrositi, our friend Nick. Now, he's been getting quotes via MTD Network, but he's also, as a result of being on MTD Network, been getting some quotes direct. Sorry, but I've got a bit of a frog in my throat there. So great testimonial for using MTD Network and getting on the site. So that's it for this week. What I'm going to say again, as you know, red, request a quote, blue, if you want to join the network, and we'll see you soon.